scientists, welcome to my lab, and here I'm gonna show you what happens if you mix together baking soda with vinegar. Baking soda is a base and vinegar is an acid, and if you mix, they produce carbon dioxide. Guys, you will need a balloon with baking soda and a bottle with this of vinegar. Okay, we need safety goggles to do the experiment and a science bag. Okay, we have to do first is put into the balloon baking soda. I already did that. Next, we have to put this balloon on this. Okay guys, this reaction do bubbles, and the bubbles is gonna fill the balloon to grow up with carbon dioxide. Okay, let's gonna do it. As you see, the balloon grow up with the bubbles of the vinegar with baking soda. Okay, scientific. This was my experiment from today, and we're gonna do it. Please. Wait. Okay, guys. The conclusion is if you mix a base with acid, it forms a gas. In this case, the gas is carbon dioxide, and the carbon dioxide fill this balloon to grow up. Bye bye, see you later.